When engineers create CAD assemblies, they use mates to define and constrain each part used in the assembly. Mates can be created between mate connectors, surfaces, and individual vertices. Since blueprint connectors do not move when attached to a truss, they are considered fastened. A fastened mate can be created in two different ways. First, select the Fasten Mate tool in the top toolbar. Next, select the two mate connectors that will define the part's placement. Here I'm going to select one pitch of my 4-pitch truss and the mate connector for the connector part. Onshape will move the part to place both mate connectors in the same place, or as referred to as coincident. You can then rotate the mated part by clicking the Reorient Secondary Access button. This will allow you to place the connector in the orientation you wish inside of the 4-pitch truss. Press the check mark to apply the mate. The second way you can create a fastened mate is with snap mode. Snap mode allows you to drag one mate connector to another mate connector to easily generate a mate. You can activate snap mode by clicking on the tool in the toolbar or the keyboard shortcut Shift S. It is recommended to zoom in on the parts that you are mating. Now you can drag the mate connector from one mate connector to another, and Onshape will automatically generate that mate. Again, you can configure that mate by flipping or rotating the secondary axes. Click the Solve button to see all of the changes applied to your assembly. If you are satisfied with the changes, click the check mark to apply that mate. You will also notice there will be a slight gap between two blueprint trusses when connected with a blueprint connector. If they are properly mated, you should see a very slight gap between them. The next video, Slider Mates and Limits, you will learn how to constrain the linear motion brackets in an assembly.